Hey, fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a travel essential that might sound a bit fancy, but is super important: the travel itinerary. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. What is travel itinerary? A travel itinerary is like a plan or schedule for a trip. It's a document that shows what you'll be doing each day during your journey. What's in a travel itinerary? Travel dates and times, accommodation details, transportation information, activities and sightseeing. Think of it as a roadmap that helps you organize and keep track of your activities, such as flights, accommodations, sightseeing, and other important details. Your itinerary typically includes information like the dates and times of your flights, the names and addresses of the places you'll be staying, and a list of activities or places you want to visit. It helps you stay organized and ensures that you don't miss out on anything important during your travel. Benefits of a travel itinerary: efficient use of time, easy organization, budget management. Now, creating a travel itinerary doesn't mean you have to schedule every minute. It's more like a flexible guide that helps you make the most of your time. Here is travel itinerary sample. Write your name as travel itinerary. Write destination, name of the city, country, dates of travel, start date to end date. Here is day 1 activities. Write time, departure from departure city, arrival at destination city, airport, check-in at accommodation name, explore nearby attraction, dinner at restaurant name. Here is day 2 activities. Write time, breakfast at place. Write time, visit tourist attraction. Write time, lunch at cafe. Write time, relaxation, dinner at another restaurant. Here is day 3 activities. Time, day trip to nearby destination, lunch at local eatery, explore landmark, activity, return to accommodation name, dinner and relaxation. Here is final day activities. Check out from accommodation name, visit museum, art gallery, lunch at favorite spot, return to accommodation name, departure from destination city. Note these important points. Remember to check the local weather forecast and pack accordingly. Keep important documents, passport, tickets, etc. in a secure place. Make reservations for popular attractions or restaurants if needed. Emergency contact numbers, emergency services, family, friends. Here is some template of travel itinerary. I hope you will get idea from that template. I hope you enjoyed the travel itinerary video. Thanks for watching.